Hi, my name is Daniel, and in this video I'll show you how to create a quotes carousel and add it to a Duda website. Let's get started. The quotes carousel is a great addition to any website. To start, enter Common Ninja website. Choose your widget from our large collection of widgets. And once you've entered the widget page, click on the Create button to enter the editor. Here, in the editor, you can edit the content. Select a layout and a skin. Customize the look and feel. And change the settings. When you're done, click the Save Changes button to save your work. If you don't have an account on Common Ninja yet, you'll have to register first. When you're ready to add the widget to your website, go back to the dashboard. Now, on the dashboard, you'll see the widget you've created. Click on the Add to Website button. In the window that opens, copy the code. And close the window. Remember, you can always return to the widget and keep on editing it. Now, let's head to the Duda editor. On the Duda editor, enter widgets on the left panel. Then, find the HTML widget, drag and place it on your page wherever you wish your widget to show. Now, in the HTML content window, simply paste the code you've copied before. After the page was automatically saved, you might need to refresh the page to view the widget within the editor. And that's it. Now, the quotes carousel will show on your website.